When a client does approach you, kind of what is the suite of the typical problem statement that they approach you with?
Oh yeah, so usually when we have a new client and we're gathering requirements, they'll come to us and they say, we have all these disparate systems, and it's either a few of them or half a dozen systems or whatever the case may be.
Right.
And they say, nothing talks to each other.
Right.
There's a lot of manual data input. It's a lot of wasted man hours to actually put that data in, and sometimes they outsource it or whatever. And so we come in and we say, we can integrate those different platforms together of whatever systems they're using,
right.
or we can replace pieces or parts of them and integrate with the rest.
Right.
Whatever the need is, or whatever their want is,
right.
We can come in and fix it.
Right, because and kind of just so I'm understanding you correctly, even knowing some of the clients that OptimumHQ has worked with, they come to you, let's say, with 12 different systems.
Sure.
And some may be like, you may have said 16,
yeah.
but whatever the number may be, right?
Yeah, 87.
87 different systems, and they're like, we need 400 more. No, they come to you with a slew of systems, and they can either say, hey, we want you to help make sure that all of these operate more efficiently together.
Yeah.
We want you to replace a third of them and then integrate that with the rest of them, or we want you to replace all of them.
And we can do that.
And then, and really, it's whatever the client needs most. If their systems, if a portion of their systems are working effectively, they're not going to replace them. But if they have breaks, they're going to go, great. OptimumHQ can replace that system and then integrate with your rest, and everything will end up running more.
It's usually the things we like to tackle first are their major pain points in if it's disparate systems or if it's manual data input.
Yeah.
We try to emphasize that those are the things that we can fix quickly.
Yeah.
So that they can realize what we're capable of, and that they're more familiar with our system.
Yeah.
And that way, we can go from there and plan future items out to either develop or integrate or whatever they need.
Right, and that's interesting even how you noted it, so that certain, and I want to kind of hop to the next point,
Sure.
But even as you just shared, to be able to first solve a problem quickly so that people can almost have a firmer grasp on what OptimumHQ has the capacity to do.
Correct.
Because even, transparently, like when we're on the marketing side, people are still going, wait a second, this solution exists? Like, this can do anything?
Yeah.
So it's, once they get that first solution, then they go, okay, I see. And then all of a sudden they can see a little bit clearer into what can actually be accomplished with OptimumHQ at their business. So if I were to kind of recap even just the first half of what we just discussed, you have the ability to configure custom solutions on the OptimumHQ platform to solve just about any operational need. If it can't be done within the confines of the OHQ platform, engineering can actually develop the solution within the platform, giving you as a solutions architect the ability to now use that in solving challenges for any future client.
Sounds good to me.
Wonderful.